Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, time for a little Wisdom Wednesday. Hope you all are doing well. Today I thought I would talk a little bit about collagen. I've been reading a couple of books on just supplements for aging, and many of the products that are being discussed have really across the board shown benefit, not just in one area but multiple areas. And it is very interesting to see where collagen, which we think is just something that is in our skin, but we really don't realize all these amazing benefits of it. It's the most prevalent protein, one of the most prevalent proteins in the human body. About 30% of all proteins in humans is a collagen type protein. And we see it in all our fibrous tissues, such as our tendons and ligaments, but also in the cornea, our cartilage, bones, and certainly our skin. That's probably where we most are familiar with it. But it's, what kind of is the framework that holds our organs together and all of our major tissues and supports the structure and is part of even our bony structure. We notice it, of course, in the skin, in the dermis, the elastin part. And so collagen and elastin and hyaluronic acid are all very vital to our overall skin and the protection that it provides us. And it constitutes about 70% of the dry weight of skin is the collagen protein. It has so many other benefits, though. It's an antioxidant, it's very anti-aging, it's anti-osteoporotic, it's anti-osteoarthritic, it's anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, it's anti-hypertensive, it's anti-atherosclerotic, it's anti-obesity, and it also has beneficial effects as far as glycemic control is concerned. So what is collagen? Collagen is just these ropes of amino acids that are intertwined and are formed into little fibrils. These fibrils then become intertwined and form what is called collagen fiber. And they provide just tensile strength and stability to the body in many areas, but also just structural foundation for our tissues and organs. And of course, we are most familiar with that we see in our skin, because that's what we notice, particularly as we age. And it is mostly made up by specific mesenchymal cells that can differentiate into things like fibroblasts or chondrocytes, fibroblasts for skin, chondrocytes for collagen, osteoblasts for bone, and odontoblasts for teeth. And these different cells make different types of collagen. The most common collagen that is in our bodies is what's called type 1. And this really is about 90% of all the collagen in our organs and bones and tendons and the support structure, and most of our intestinal structure is made up of that. And with that in our skin is also type 3, which is more of the elastin type of collagen. Type 2 collagen is that collagen that we see in our cartilage and the vertebral disc, and then the gel-like vitreous in our eyes is made up of the type 2 collagen. There are several other just smaller types of collagens that have been identified, but those are the most common forms of collagen in the body. And so we want to be able to understand what it is about collagen that happens over time. And we know that it is more destroyed over time. There's less production over time. There's a shift in the balance between type 1 and type 3, especially in our skin when we start to see less elasticity. It declines not only in the amount of it, but just in the quality of it. It becomes fragmented and much more disorganized over time. And so it's important to know that we have some ability to have some impact on it. And so we hear an awful lot about collagen out there and collagen powders, and we are starting to see some really good data sort of come to the surface in that if we use these types of products, really good collagen support powders, we can make some impact. It can definitely help with the antioxidant effects in the mitochondria, having extra collagen. It can help with repair of DNA and proteins. So it's very beneficial there. It enhances the optimal folding of proteins, because that's one of the things with aging is we get this disrupted, what we call proteostasis, in not only the production of proteins, but the folding and then the reabsorption and recycling of proteins. And so collagen helps with that, as well as not only autophagy, but mitophagy, which is the autophagy within the mitochondria, which is where our energy is produced. It seems to have a very positive effect on our immune system. There have been studies that have shown that with just individual cell requirements, we can increase collagen with just taking collagen, increasing the production of fibroblasts by taking collagen and improving it on the order of 10-15%. And so studies are really showing that and bearing out somewhere on the order of between 2.5 grams and up to 10 grams, we see benefits. So benefits to the skin, benefits as far as recovery from exercise, benefits in the cardiovascular system. There are antihypertensive effects benefiting from taking collagen because it works to inhibit the ACE1 enzyme, the angiotensin 1 converting enzyme, and that can help blood pressure. It can help joints. It has a positive effect on osteoarthritis and reduces the changes that occur with osteoarthritis and even but less for rheumatoid arthritis, but some benefits. It helps with bone support and with metabolism. It can improve metabolism and therefore has some benefit even as far as just obesity is concerned. So there are a lot of great benefits, not just the skin benefits of taking collagen, finding a really good collagen that is well sourced, and then using it regularly. I know we can put it in our coffee, we can put it in sauces, you can use it in anything, but I think somewhere between anywhere from 2.5 to 20 grams of collagen to help induce fibers and these collagen fibers in our skin, but also in all the other areas of our body for the antioxidant, the anti-inflammatory effects, the benefits to the cardiovascular system, perhaps slightly lowering blood pressure. All of these things have some tie and some benefit shown in not only animal studies, but in human studies as well. So I hope you have a little bit more knowledge now of collagen and what it does in the body, and how by taking the collagen powders, you may have some real positive benefits, not only just for the cosmetic benefits, perhaps of improving skin collagen and elastin within the framework of our skin, but also in our organs and in our bony structure. Hope that's helped. Hope you all have a great week, and we'll talk again next week.